Okay, so yesterday we ran out of batteries completely. So I've got a second charger on order on Amazon for these, just because, you know, we go through these batteries really fast and I can't be without the batteries. And then I came out this morning I'm charging all the batteries, you know, on our RV, in the RV, using the lithium batteries. And I went to put this one in and there's no light. So when it comes to lithium batteries, if they are dead, that doesn't necessarily mean they're dead. So what we can do is we can jump start this battery. In theory, it should start charging again. So let's see if we can do that. I've got these two, just like a little jumper wire here, and I'll show you how to do this. Okay, so we're gonna go into the B+. Actually, I'm gonna take these apart just so I don't mix them up. B+ to the B+, then B-, and just for, you know, a few seconds. Whoa, that's kind of scared me there for a second. All right, give it a few seconds. This is the dead one. Okay, then pull them out and start charging. Sure enough. So that's all we needed to do to jump this. We didn't need to throw this battery away. It's not really dead. It just needed to be jumped.